Hi everyone, my name is Nisarg. Welcome to the episode 6 of UiPath Automation Hub series. In our last episode, we have completed the analysis phase and now we have navigated to solution design documentation phase. Now in Automation Hub, earlier Shrippad has completed the assessment and cost benefit analysis and also completed the assessment level. Now we are going forward with the solution design phase. Now, as you can see, solution design is on track. Now what I have to do is I have to create a solution design document for our project. Now our project is nothing but a recruitment process automation. Now don't worry, we don't have to create a solution design document from scratch. We can just navigate to the documentation tab. So all you have to do is navigate to Automation Hub, navigate to the automation pipeline, navigate to the view automation profile and click on the documentation. Now in the documentation, you can see that you have a template for solution design document. Now click on document, download, and you have the document downloaded. Now open the document and you can see that you have a sample design which has been created by UiPath for ease. You can just open it and you can refer that we have solution design document where all the table of content and the details are predefined. Now you just have to go ahead and make it according to your workflow. Now purpose of the document remains same as this is a solution design documentation. Now what we have to do is go ahead and automate pipeline, automated process details. Now what is the name of your project? Now the name of project would be, it's resume screening. Then what is the robot type? I'm completely going to use unattended robot. So I am going to mention here unattended. And I'm going to remove this part. Then I have orchestrator use. Yes, I'm using orchestrator. Is it scalable? Definitely it is scalable. So we are using it on multiple 5 robots, let's say. And what is the version that we are using? So the version is version of the Studio robot. Now what UiPath Studio you're using, just navigate to UiPath and just click on the home and you can see the Studio Pro version, which is 2020.4. Just come back and now say here 2020.4.1. Then the automation process details are completed, and similarly you have to complete all the details such as master project runtime details, then project name, project workflows, what are the packages that you're using, and architectural structure. Now I have already created a sample design solution design document. Let's look at it. Now this is a sample solution design document which I have already created for resume screening. Now let's have a look at it. All I have done is use the same template and I have just made the changes wherever necessary, such as automation process details, then the project runtime details, such as production environment details, prerequisites to run, input data, expected data. Now let me explain you the process. The process is going to be downloading the PDF attachments of resume from my email of Outlook and processing it in one by one in an Excel and then passing those Excel data and adding these details into CRM application. Now, I have added all the details along with the environment details such as Windows 10, Studio License, Microsoft Excel, and MS Outlook is required. So all the requirements you have to write here. You have to mention all the details such as how orchestrator is used, what are the password policies that you're going to use, and the stored credentials. Now, once you get all details, you have to do here is what are all the workflows that you're using in your project. So if there are multiple workflows, you can name multiple workflows here. You can just go ahead and you can click here and you can add multiple rows to your data table. And now you can add number of packages you're using. So the packages I'm going to need is to process the data into Excel. I'm going to need UiPath Excel activities. In order to read the data from Outlook, I am going to need UiPath.mail.activities. And in order to process the data from the PDF, I'm going to need UiPath PDF activities. So I've mentioned the packages and then I have designed a small architectural structure of my master project, which is going to be in a dispatcher and performer where dispatcher is nothing but downloading all the attachments and storing them into a specific folder. And performer is nothing but reading each PDF file from a folder and extracting the details to upload into the CRM. Now, how did I create this diagram? All you have to do is you have to come here in UiPath and you have to create a skeleton of your workflow, what you're going to design. Once you design a skeleton, all you have to do is add the annotations. Once you add the annotations, right click and say save as image. Now, once you save as image, it automatically saves as an image, as you can see, as a JPG format. Now I can say main workflow. If I say main JPG, you just have to refresh and you can see image format of your workflow is created, which you can utilize to design and to upload it into your documentation. This is as simple as that. Now, once my SDD is completed, I have entered all the other details and the glossary. Now I'm going to save it, come back. Let's navigate to UiPath, Automation Hub. Now, this time I'm going to say about, I'm going to edit it. In edit mode, I'm going to go ahead on documentation and I'm going to add a file. Now, this time I'm going to add a file, which is going to be the automation solution design document, which I have created. So I'm just going to get it and drag it here. I'm going to give it name as solution design document. File type is solution design document and the description is the SDD. I'm just going to add some random description. I'm going to say add a file. It is uploaded and you can see the solution design document is now displayed here and the name who has uploaded and the last update is also displayed. Now let's go to about and let's modify the details as we have uploaded the documentation. So we will change the solution design from solution design phase to completed. And then we are going to save the changes. And that's about it. So in today's video, we have seen how can we create a solution design document and how we can go ahead with the solution design document phase with the completion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time, and in the next video, we are going to see how are we going to proceed with the next phase in the development. Thank you so much.